I wasn't even searching for love. That's usually right when it creeps up on you. And I know in my heart it's true. Oh yeah.